Okay, so what I'm going to do today is I'm going to repair a vintage necklace. It's a beaded necklace and it has a broken clasp. So I'm going to repair it by putting a new clasp on it. I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, so what I've done here is I've taken the end. You can see this. I've taken the end of the necklace and I've opened up. It's a brass binding that is put on the end of beaded necklaces. So what I've done is I've opened it up. So now what you can do is just attach this back onto here. And the way you're going to do that is with these pliers. They have a rounded end. Now, when you open up the finding on the end of the necklace, because these tools are rounded, they fit right in there, and you just sort of push them in there and you gently twist it and pry it open. So now what you're going to do is the opposite of that. So you're going to feed this through this hole here and then put your pliers in there again and then twist it back. So I'm going to do that, and I will show you once it is done on one end. Okay, so what I've done is I have opened up, let's see if I can get a good picture of that. Okay. Put it on the white here, maybe it might. Not getting a good picture of it here. Okay, so basically what I've done, I'll see if I can get it better here. Now, so you can see it's been fed through the hole. That's the finding. It's been fed through there. And then all I've done is closed it up so that you can see it here better. Not sure why it's not focusing here. Anyways, basically you just put the finding on the end of the beaded necklace through the hole on the new clasp, and then just bend it back into itself so that it stays on. And you do that on both ends. So now this necklace has a proper clasp, and this is the type of clasp that it should have had. I don't know what it had originally because it didn't have a clasp on it, but anyways, there you have it.